you'll note that I'm bouncing around a bit on the face, and I tend to do that because one part relates to another. And so sometimes I've been working on building up this nose because it was too small for this photo here, which is the main photo I have to work from. And I need this to relate to the rest of the face, and I've done the proportion of the eyes. But as I change this, that changes the relationship with all these other parts that are around it. And so that's what I'm trying to get now. You can see with the darkness in his eyes there, I've got to pull these muscles a little bit more out to make more shadow. You see that I'm exaggerating a little bit. And then you can kind of see the temple going back in here. But it's very prominent on him, and even when the client wrote me, he said, yeah, you need to pull those a little bit more prominent than they are. The clay is not warmed up yet with the fire. So I want to make sure that I get the specifics of the characteristics of his individual face without making it into a caricature. Caricatures are fine, they have their place, but this particular piece is not commissioned to be a caricature. And so it's always a delicate line. And stepping back to take a look at it. My lighting is not ideal. I want to look at the thing in different kinds of lighting over time, but I think for now I see enough to be able to move forward on some of these likeness things. Okay, so here, there's a patch of skin right there, which I have, and looks like his mustache changed over the years, but okay, I have him sort of smiling. He's not really smiling there. It's a little bit of a smile, but it's really more not. So I'm wondering if I'm exaggerating this because not knowing the person, I don't know if he's prone to smiling. Even here he's got smiling with, very rarely do any of these pictures have any teeth showing. And it's kind of an indication that he might be one of those people that likes to smile without showing his teeth. Although he's got nice teeth, but either way, I want to do the most typical of him so that you can appreciate, you can remember who he is. That's the whole point of this, isn't it? So I'm redrawing my center line, which I tend to do a lot because it's very easy to make the mustache drift over here or there, and when you're correcting something it's very, very easy to lose those points. Okay. How are you doing? Keep watching, leave your comments. If you follow me on patreon.com/Kelly Borsheim, you're going to get to see a lot more updates like this, and watch this guy as he progresses along. Thanks for watching. You can see finished bronze sculptures and also stone carvings in my paintings and drawings on borsheimarts.com. Thank you for watching.